In this video, I'll show you how to find the two fuse boxes of your Hyundai Sonata 2006 to 2010. So over here, there is one inside of the cabin and there's one outside. First of all, remove the panel that is on the driver's side, on the side of the dash like that. Put your fingers there and pull on it. And you're gonna notice it was held by different clips. Now, if we take a look, it's very helpful. There is a small diagram telling you which fuse is which, and they even come with one of these tools, which will help you remove and install fuse. So just go right there where the fuses are, pinch it, okay, just like a tweezer, and pull it out. It's very helpful and it's very easy to put it in and out. Now, this was the fuse box inside of the cabin. There's one outside, and you just to pop the hood, then go over here, and the other fuse box is right above the battery, the 12-volt battery that is missing in this car. You see, it's right above it, this box. To open the lid, you need to press on the clips. You see there's 4 of them. Take your fingers, press on all of them at the same time and lift the lid. You're gonna have another diagram telling you which fuse is doing what, and also the relays. And you also have another tool with some extra spare fuses. Really nice to see that they are included. And yeah, everything is over here clearly labeled. When it's time to put the lid back, simply snap it back, give a few good taps, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.